Niggas about to take a trip with me, you know what I'm saying? About to take a trip with me. I'm on Burnside right now, I'm going shopping, you know? Cop the little Yankee fitted. It's nice though. So niggas see the view out here. You know, it's your boy. Look, dog. You know, that's how we do it, man. We spend bread in the city, man. You understand that? You know how we get down, man. Gotta head over here. Niggas ain't no Polo Scullies, man. Oh, it's sick. I'm trying to get hit by a car out here. Niggas over here looking at me all crazy. Let's walk up in. Now I'm in a store right now. You see me? Yeah. Now I'm about to buy me a white shirt. Yo, this FaceTime is crazy. Yeah. Let me get Hold on. Let me get a white tee. 2X. Yeah. Alright, later.